Zomato and Swiggy have ruled India's food delivery game for years. But now a surprise underdog is entering the kitchen. Rapido. Yes, the same Rapido that got you to college on a 20-30 rupee bike ride is now delivering your butter chicken in Bengaluru. Let's break it all down. How Rapido started, why this shift makes sense, and what it means for food giants, restaurants, and users like us. Back in 2015, Rapido was just an idea born out of frustration. Cabs were expensive, autos were unreliable, and public transport wasn't always practical. So, three founders, Arvind Sanka, Rishikesh SR, and Pavan Guntupalli, built something so basic yet so powerful, a network of bike taxis. The idea was simple rides, super cheap, and lightning fast. And they nailed it. By 2018, Rapido had already spread across tier 2 cities. By 2020, they were in 90 plus locations. COVID could have crushed them, but they pivoted to delivering groceries, essentials, and medicines. The hustle was real. By 2022, with over $180 million raised from Westbridge, Shell Ventures, and others, Rapido had built a distribution beast. Now comes the plot twist. In 2024 and 2025, Rapido quietly started testing food delivery in Bengaluru. No major announcements, no big splash, just quiet execution. But why the pivot? Here's our take. First, the bike taxi market was hitting a ceiling. Second, they had a massive last mile delivery network already in place. Third, their riders were underutilized during non peak hours. Fourth, restaurants were sick of Zomato and Swiggy's high commissions. So Rapido stepped in. Same delivery partners, new mission food. This isn't just about food, this is about breaking a monopoly. Zomato and Swiggy have had a good run, but they've also made it tough for small restaurants for reasons like 30 to 35% commissions, delayed payments, pay to play listings. Rapido's rumored model flips all of that. 0% commission for now, faster onboarding, local deliveries through their rider network. If they win even 10 to 15% share in one city, it forces the big brands to change their game. That's disruption done right. But let's not overhype it. Food delivery is still brutal. Customer acquisition is expensive. You need a different kind of trust for food versus rides. They are new to restaurant side tech and logistics. Zomato and Swiggy won't just watch quietly. Right now, they are testing in just one city, Bengaluru. So, this is still a trial, not a triumph. If Rapido actually pulls this off, a lot could change. Lower delivery prices for us, more profits for restaurants, rise of small food businesses, and cloud kitchens. And honestly, this becomes a case study in leveraging your distribution, solving for undeserved players, and starting small and scaling smart. If you're a founder, here are 5 things to learn from Rapido. First, distribution overpowers product. They didn't build anything new, just repurpose their fleet. Second, don't fear giants. Solve a niche problem, start small. Third, test silently. Instead of noisy launches, they launched food delivery in just one city, no noise, just learning. Fourth, play to your strengths. Their delivery network is their secret weapon. Fifth, long term growth should be the priority rather than quick wins. Even if this fails, the learning is gold. So the question is, will Rapido dethrone the food giants or just become a side hustle?